So I got this plant from Lauren's grandpa's funeral and I've been watering it. It's been doing okay, although that's going on, that's just some dirt. I hope that's just some dirt. And then Natalie got this plant. We also have this plant on the 3rd floor. I'm very bad at watering it. I think someone else waters it. It is looking a little droopy today. Let's see, here we go. Bring it back to life. But today we're gonna go to Gazebo Gardens and pick up some plants for the building. They need to be plants that don't need a lot of sunlight because really the only windows are that one, this one, and the 2 on the 2nd floor. So let's head over there. Also, I'm gonna take the scooter and try out the new bike lanes on Van Ness. Why are all these dum-dums parked in the bike lane? Stupid. Do you have any Grey Poupon? Wow, Gazebo Gardens is 100 years old this year.
Don't get something that needs a lot of sunlight or water. Okay. Because we don't want it to die.
What is this?
This is a poly dwarf.
Oh.
Very tropical.
Very nice. You've already changed your mind? What do you got here now?
This one's just got more leaves and more green. I feel like it would make me feel better. The other one had like 2 leaves. They were just really big.
Yeah. Spooky. What are you gonna get?
A lot. That mermaid statue.
The mermaid statue?
We're gonna get the dragon statue for the lobby.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go. That's what we need. What'd you get, Natalie?
I'm debating on this snake plant. I hear snake plants are good for the air.
Ooh.
And it looks nice.
It does look nice.
Those are my only 2 factors. Actually, I might get a succulent because those ones are harder to kill, and I'm very good at killing plants, so I might want something a little more
robust.
Yeah. But I don't know.
I've actually killed a number of succulents, so
I have too,
my track
but
record isn't
not
good.
as far and few between. I guess. Or not as easy. Yeah.
Ooh, what's that? What's that? That's a nice one.
I don't know. I'm trying to find the name of this one, but it keeps catching my eye.
I think you should do it. I think you should go for it.
Might as well. If it looks pretty for the front desk, I might as well do it.
Gonna get some boots?
Yeah, these look cool. Wait, oh, they're actual shoes. I thought they were for potting.
No, they're shoes. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
For your feet. Does that have a name on it?
No.
It's nice.
It's a thing.
You got a beacon.
A beacon.
You guys are both going like colorful here. I like it.
I mean, we're back in production. There's not much color back there.
Well, she said it would work, most likely. All right. Just careful with the watering.
I'm kind of sad. I'm not that much taller than it.
May we be very fruitful in our efforts.
Yes.
Jam's plant?
Yes.
Nice.
Picking
nice.
virtually for her. Figured it'll look nice at the front.
Oh yeah. See you later. I thought we were gonna ride together. I brought my scooter.
It's taking too long. I want to go home again. 'em again.
let's go back to CMAC. Race you off the line. Here they come. I want to 3D print one of those cute Bulbasaur pots for the succulents here. So I got a 3D printer. I've never set up. My cousin Jared was like, "This doesn't fit in my house," and I was like, "It doesn't fit in my house." So it's here at CMAC now, and I'm gonna set it up. And I'm gonna try to print a Bulbasaur. It seems to be working. My little succulents should have a home soon.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so did not go well. It didn't stick to the platform. This was actually my second attempt. I forgot to use the glue stick, so I tried the glue stick, and it still didn't stick. So I was just looking on YouTube. A guy recommended putting painter's tape on the platform, and the filament should stick to it well enough to complete the print, and then I just peel off the tape and it should all come off. I did have to re-level the platform when I did the tape, so that adds more time. I don't know if I have to level every time, and he recommended 2-inch tape. I only had 1-inch tape here, but working with what I got. I also made the design a little bit bigger after the first one failed, so now it's gonna take 9 hours. So we'll check in tomorrow and see if I have a plasticky mess or if I have a pot I can put my succulent plant in. Seems to be working with the painter tape technique.
Day 2.
Good morning, little plants. Oh, buddy. Look at that. Success. Will they come off? Pretty well stuck on there. I essentially removed the tape to get it off there. Also, good night. Yes. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, no. I was hoping I could just fit that in there, but I guess I can do mostly that. Look at that. There he is. Wistfully looking out the window now. Let's print another one. Oh, and I didn't even use, I was worried I was gonna use like half the filament on that. I still got plenty of filament. One more. Again. I can't believe the painter's tape trick worked, but I'm really glad to have my little Bulbasaur, my little succulent inside of it. But now I've got to head off to production at McLean High School. Also, we just got new magnets, stickers, and a keychain charm at CMAC. You have to go in person to CMAC in downtown Fresno to get these, but they are free. If you can come down, you can get one. Just see the front desk. That's it for this week. I gotta run. I'll see you next time. Peace.
you